This is a small program that I found in issue 4 of the January 1983 Transactor magazine. It's called Mind Twister, or another name for it is called Brain Bender. By today's standards, I would say this may not be very impressive, but I think in 1983 the concept of a home computer was relatively new, and the speed at which the machine could perform calculations and follow instructions was indeed a bit of a mind bender. And I think this little program does a good job demonstrating just how fast your computer can be. Even the publisher in the article says this is so fast the video beam can't keep up with the changing display. Now, to change the pattern on the screen, all we have to do is hit a key. Any key on the keyboard will work except for the one key. The one key exits the program. So I will now go through and slowly hit the keys and let you see the different patterns that display, faster than the video beam can even keep up with the display. This definitely represents a simpler time in computer history, and it's something that I appreciate very much, and I hope you do too. Well, I appreciate you watching this video, and if you made it this far and you would like to actually run this code for yourself, I am going to include a D64 with this code on there that you can also load and run on your PET or in your emulator to test it out or even modify it. The source code I will also be providing is a .asm file that I produced in Notepad++. It can be assembled with DASM, and it can then be executed on your PET. I do apologize that there is a bit of a hum in this video. I'm using some very old 1960s microphones that I inherited from my father, and I think they need a little bit cleaning to get them in tip-top shape. But nonetheless, I appreciate you watching. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.